Thank you for visiting MarineMax.com. My name's Larry Vogt, and today we're going to go over this 2024 Sea Ray 310 SLX Outboard. This boat is powered by the brand new 400 horsepower V10 engines for exhilarating speed and performance. It's also on the joystick system for exceptional maneuverability around the dock. We'll see that at the helm when we get inside the boat. Starting back here, we've got this awesome sun pad to lay out on with a stereo remote control, cup holders, plenty of space out here. As we go inside the boat, we're going to take a look at how much space this thing has. The boat is yacht certified and has seating for a pile of your friends. This boat's also equipped with the summer kitchen, which includes a grill. We've got a freshwater sink here and a refrigerator. And let's not forget, we've got 110 outlets over there where you can plug in a blender to make your favorite smoothie like mine, pina coladas or margaritas. As we step forward, you'll notice we've got the sunroof open. This boat's got a retractable top, which opens it up, gives you plenty of light, gives you plenty of breeze, but we can close it in the event of inclement weather. The port side seat right here swivels to open up into the cockpit. And of course, locks facing forward as well. You can see two adults up here, two adults at the helm, where we've got twin Simrad displays. We've got Mercury controls with the joystick piloting, VHF radio. This boat is fully equipped. Inside the head compartment, you'll find a full marine head, freshwater sink with pull-out shower, and overboard discharge. As you look towards the bow, we've got plenty of bow seating up there, a bow table. We also have a table for the cockpit. What's really nice about the Sea Ray is we can close this off. Now we can keep the weather out on those cold days. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 904-545-5310. My name's Larry, and we'd love to show you this Sea Ray 310 SLX. Thank you.